Okay, so this time I really did forget to record an intro for this. There was a lot going on over this past weekend. I ended up going to the Mindfield event, and you know what? Surprisingly, I didn't fly all that much. I didn't fly anywhere else other than the Mindfield event. I took my daughter with me, and well, I ended up having to be a dad more than a pilot, but that was okay. We had a good time, and I got to see a lot of people, and if I got to meet you there, yeah, let me know and tag me in some of the photos we were able to get together. But I took this with me. You already know that this is my favorite drone. This is the Shen Drone Squirt that I built. It's the slammed edition. And I thought I was going to get away with not breaking anything while I was there, but I ended up breaking this. It looks like it's in one piece, but I ended up cracking this corner. So the duct is coming off actually. Oh, actually it's this corner here. You can see it's like sort of broken. Anyways, pretty cheap fix, 38 bucks, but it's gonna take a little bit of time to fix this. I was really hoping not to break anything, but you know, you just push it just a little bit further. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this footage. It is sort of like a day to dusk transition with the Shen Drone Squirt using the Hero 8 and just sort of lightly color grade it. Enjoy.